that's all I got to nail today, but
There's shit you can put together.
I ain't got time for that. That could be a new video. DIYs with me. Anyway, so right now I'm about to do a video called The Ratchet Girl Sings the National Anthem. And I just want to show y'all how Ratchet Girls sing the National Anthem. And Ratchet Girls, don't be offended because this is not directed to you. But if you take offense to it, then I guess it is directed to you because this is how National Ratchet Girls sing the National Anthem. Okay, so let's begin, shall we? Excuse me, announce. You gonna announce?
No.
I said you gonna announce me. Well, it's okay. I announce myself. My name is Bonquita, and I want y'all to follow me on SoundCloud at soundcloud.com/BonquitaBeats. And anyways, I'm gonna sing this Star Spangled Bangle for y'all, and we at this lovely baseball arena. Praise the Lord, everybody. I said praise the Lord. Anyways, so let me begin before for the referees and the coaches and the batter men come out and come get me. I feel the spirit. Can you see? By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming. Thanks. And also remember to follow me at Bonquita Beats, soundcloud.com/Bonquita Beats. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Tinder, and all that at Bonquita Beats. Thank you, America. Thank you. Now let's play some ball.